Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet candy ornament. For this, I am using 3mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make a slip knot. Then make a chain of 17. To start our first row, make a single crochet into each chain all the way across. Insert the hook in the second chain, pull up the yarn over, pull through both loops. Make a single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. Continue to make single crochet into each chain all the way across. Change the color. To start our second row, make a chain and turn. In this row we are going to make back loop only single crochet. In the first stitch make an increase, so make 2 double crochets in the back loop. Make back loop single crochets in the next 13 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, we are going to make back loop only single crochet decrease. Insert the hook in the next stitch, back loop, pull up the yarn. Insert the hook in the next stitches, back loop, pull up the yarn over, pull through both loops. Change the color, chain 1 and turn. In this row, we are going to start with a back loop only single crochet decrease. Then make a back loop only single crochet in the next 13 stitches. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochets. Change the color, chain 1 and turn. From row 4 to row 14, repeat row 2 and row 3. In the first stitch, make 2 single crochets. Then make a single crochet in the back loop only for the next 13 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, we are going to make back loop only single crochet decrease. Change the color, chain 1. Start with a decrease, then single crochet in the next 13 stitches. In the next stitch, make a single crochet increase. Change the color, chain 1 and repeat row 2 and row 3 up to row 14. Completed my 14 rows. We are going to join the ends. chain 1. We are going to make single crochet decrease. Insert the hook in the stitch, pull up the yarn, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up the yarn or pull through both loops. Insert the hook in the next stitch and insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up the yarn or pull through both. Like this, make single crochet decrease. Slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 4. In the first stitch, make 3 treble crochets. In the next stitch, make 3 treble crochets. Continue to make 3 treble crochets into each stitch all the way across. Slip stitch in the first treble crochet. Change the color. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way across. Slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Like this, make on the other side. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.